love my Roki. Just love it. Just love it. We're calling this area the JH6 Studio. Yeah, let's do this. Check it out. I wanted to talk about this because people usually talk about these things like what is the best vlogging or what is the best setup or something like that. And by the way, the sun is right behind me, so we're gonna turn around. All right, this spot is a little bit better. So like I say, I wanted to talk about this because people always talk about this. What is the best vlogging setup? What is the best setup for this? And I really think that a lot of guys gotta run. A lot of guys surely gotta run because they are so intense and so worried about the gear that they don't have fun. They don't have fun at all. And you know what? It's necessary for you to enjoy what you do because you're gonna stop. And believe it or not, you're gonna see, or actually, you probably know this, a lot of YouTube channels don't make it. I've been doing this since 2013, not this channel, but my main channel, the Jarhead 6. And I've been consistent, done over 2,000 videos, and it has opened a lot of opportunities that has been really, really fantastic. But guess what? It's because I've been consistent. It's not because I has been the best equipment or the best everything that I have, right? So here's my advice for some of you guys. Before I get into that, I'm going to show you the bike because the bike looks gorgeous. We always got to look at the bike. And we're going to talk about this 21-inch. I got the camera set up right here to do some B-rolls on that 21 and give you guys some look. Obviously, you know, talking about the best equipment, this instant 360s are really fantastic. They do give you another angle, you know, something where you could record 360 and obviously you can pick the frame and all that. And it's a really cool setup if you want to invest the money on that. Again, it makes your vlogs a lot better, but nevertheless, do you need it? Not really. It is what it is. But here's the bike. Obviously, loving the bike, loving the pipes. One of my favorite things is the pipes. I just love those things sticking out, and I love the sound that it makes. I've been pretty happy with it so far, and I'm going to continue to do things to this bike. I got to make this chrome. I got to do so many things that it's just ridiculous. I mean, the list is on and on. But yeah, but the question is, what is the best gear to vlog? And I'm going to tell you, nowadays, they make it so easy, so simple. So, I mean, back in the days, it was actually kind of difficult. I'm going to tell you, I've been getting pretty good luck with this Hero 9. And the GoPro Hero 10 probably is going to be almost as, you know, the same way. These cameras are really, really fantastic. So if you go for a GoPro Hero 9, Hero 10, you're really gonna get your money out of it. I was using a GoPro Hero 4 and it did a good job, but the Hero 9 kind of brought it up to a different level. So again, beautiful camera, beautiful work. The quality is fantastic. You know, you could get a computer, obviously edit this thing out really, really well. I do enjoy having the media mod. So I got the media mod in here. And the reason why I got the media mod is because a couple different things. It gives you, essentially, it gives you a charging point. And I'm going to show you something that I got here in about a minute. But again, that battery pack that I have, which I'm going to show you right now. So you see it right here. This is called the Volta, and this little thing connects to the media mod, and you could charge it. So again, this is kind of like a tripod. It's a grip as well. You can see it right here. I'm holding it, and again, the camera will mount right there, and it could be charging. And what I like about this is that it has like so much batteries. If I press right here, you could kind of see the lighting. This is like 4 different batteries on the GoPro, right? So again, you could be recording all your event, and you could be enjoying yourself, recording whatever you are, and once again, you know, you have a full battery. Once you take it off this and you put it back in your helmet, you know your battery is completely charged and you don't have no issues. So again, I really love this thing. This thing is amazing. I do have the clamp from GoPro. I got the one that is actually the GoPro one, and essentially it's gonna allow me to clamp it to the bars. I am gonna take a picture so you can see right here how it looks, and that's kind of like the style that I running right now. What I like about this is that you can essentially rotate the camera and bring it back to you. Depends how you want it. Very simple. You could do that. Again, this clamp is pretty cool. You can mount it anywhere. Really, you can mount it anywhere. Of course, you could have multiple different GoPro and have multiple different angles, but what I have found out is that it gets complicated in the editing. It takes a lot of times, and next thing you know, instead of making 3 videos a week, you're making a video every 2 weeks. And I'm going to tell you a secret. Your audience don't give a crap. Your audience don't care that you have multiple different cameras. They want to see videos. They want to see what you're doing. They want to see where you're going. And, you know, if that means that they're going to have one angle, one camera, it's okay, you know, and you could be really creative with that. So again, I have this. Obviously, sometimes I mount this to my helmet. You've seen videos of that a lot. And the way that I do that, once again, is with the media mod. So I don't have that block. I just have a 3.5 mic in this media mod, and it connects to my microphone that is inside the helmet. Now, which microphone is the best one? Well, you know what? This is the debatable topic because microphones sounds different with everybody's voice. Something that may sound good with me, it doesn't mean necessarily that it's going to sound good with you. But people talk about the Panda or the Purple Panda. I mean, I had that one. I use it. It was okay. And now I have one that it doesn't even have a brand. So I really can't even tell you the brand. I bought it was like 12 bucks, and again, it's working really okay. So again, that microphone right there, what it does is that the 3.5 connects to this media mod. If you don't have a media mod, you're gonna have to have the block. I definitely recommend the media mod because once again, that media mod not only is gonna give you that 3.5 input, it's also going to give you a USB-C input, and it's also going to give you a micro HDMI. And I have used that camera, this one right here, with that to live stream as well. Now, one thing that I would tell you that a lot of people don't talk about it, and it's probably more important than actually, you know, what microphone, is that a lot of this audio gets processed, and a lot of times you don't hear the bike in the background. It's not necessarily means that the bike wasn't there. It's that I processed the audio. So in Final Cut Pro, there is ways to enhance the audio. There's ways to reduce the noise. There's ways to trick the audio to make it sound better. So I guess the question is not only what kind of microphone you're using, but also what kind of software you're utilizing to reduce the background noise and to make your voice look better. I'm gonna tell you this, like I say, I started making videos back in 2013. If you want to make videos, make videos. Don't get so wrapped up around this gear. Buy a decent camera. Nowadays, any GoPro out there is gonna do just fine. You're gonna be able to go into a place and record some videos. And you know what? If you hear, like I feel a little bit of noise right now, if you hear the noise a little bit, it's fine. It's okay. People will forgive you. Just go out there and record your adventures. Have a great time. Share it with the community. Be part of the community. And you know what? There are plenty of channels that are really big in the community, and they don't use not a crazy amount of gear. And there's all the channels that are pretty small and have thousands of dollars in equipment, and it's really not working out for them. It's not so much about the gear, it's more about the story you're telling and how you're telling that story. That's just my opinion. That's kind of what I strive to do. I'm not the best video vlogger or anything like that, but then again, I have never claimed to be. I'm just an old Marine that likes to ride motorcycles and likes to make videos for some people that like to watch them. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.